Hey guys, today I'm going to tell about the greatest woman scientist who had won the Nobel Prize. Marie Curie was born on 7th November 1867, 4th July, was a naturalized French physicist and chemist who conducted research on radioactivity. The person and the only woman to win the Nobel Prize and the only person to win the Nobel Prize in two different scientific fields. She was the part of the Curie family legacy of five Nobel Prizes. She was also the first woman to become a professor at the University of Paris. Marie Curie died in 1937, aged 66, at a sanatorium in Salesmoos from of a plastic anemia from exposure to radiation in the course of her scientific research. Irene Joliot was a French chemist, physicist, and a politician of Polish ancestry, the daughter of Marie Curie and Pierre Curie, and wife of Frederick Joliot Curie. Jointly with her husband, Joliot Curie was awarded Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 1935 for the discovery of artificial radioactivity. She was one of the three women to be a member of a French government, becoming Under Secretary for Scientific Research under the Popular Front in 1936. Both children of the Goliath Curies, Helen and Pierre, are also ended scientists. In 1945, she was one of the six commissioners of the new French Alternative and Atomic Energy (CEA). She died in Paris on 7th March 1956 from an acute leukemia linked to her exposure to polonium and X-rays. Gertie Teresa Corey was an Austro-Hungarian American biochemist who in 1947 was the third woman to win a Nobel Prize in Science and the first woman to be awarded the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine for her discovery of glycagon metabolism. In 1957, Gertie Corey died after a 10-year struggle with his disease. She remained active in research laboratory until the end of her life. She received recognition for her achievements through multiple awards and honors. Maria Goeppert Mayer was a German-born American physicist and Nobel laureate in physics for proposing the nuclear shell model of the atomic nucleus. She was the second woman to win a Nobel Prize in Physics, the first being Marie Curie. In 1986, the Maria Goeppert Mayer Award for Early Career Woman Physicist was established in honor. She developed a mathematical model for the structure of nuclear shells, for which she was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1963, which she shared with her spouse and Eugen Winker. Dorothy Hodgkin was a British chemist who advanced the technique of X-ray to determine the structure of biomolecules, which became an essential tool in structural biology. Among her most influenced discoveries are the confirmation of the structure of penicillin as previously summarized by Edward Abraham and Ernst Boris Steins. The structure vitamin B12, for which in 1964 she became the third woman to win the Nobel Prize in Chemistry. Hodgkin also elucidated the structure of insulin in 1969 after 35 years of work. Rosalind Sussman Elo was an American medical physicist and a co-winner of the 1977 Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine for development of RIA technique. She was the second woman and the American-born woman to be awarded the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine. Barbara McClintock was an American scientist who was awarded the 1983 Nobel Prize in Physiology. McClintock received PhD in botany from Cornell University in 1927. There she started her career as the leader in the development of mice cytogenetics the focus of her research for the rest of her life from the late 1920s. McClintock studied chromosome and how they engage during reproduction of mice. She developed the technique for visualizing mice chromosomes and used microscopic analysis to demonstrate many fundamental ideas in genetic ideas. One of those ideas was the notation of genetic recombination by crossing over during meiosis, a mechanism by which chromosomes exchange information.